What's up, guys? Today is Friday. Snap on Friday. Y'all come take a look.
So man in the country that I know, no money in what he used to grow. No, he don't care what people think. When a farmer turns into a hippie, times are hard in Mississippi.
Shoot, yeah.
What kind of price you got on that now?
I can let you know super fast. I can let you know real quick.
What you
What's
looking
that
at,
number on?
man?
SRPC 107 AGS GA.
HE what?
Wait a minute. SRP C 107A GSGA.
What kind of deals do we have?
205. If you buy it all separately, you're looking at 252. Mark down the 205.
It's a bargain deal.
Now you get it.
It's a bargain deal. It's a bargain.
You gonna buy a one of them hair dryers?
I don't know.
Yeah, it's the impact, but it's actually a hair dryer.
Oh, Lord,
You what?
I said, you about used all the wipes of the box got light. Maybe it'll sit there.
We'll do it tomorrow.
Tomorrow's when I win my truck.
Are you doing the drawing or?
I don't even see
The
the truck.
computer's gonna do it. I'm gonna hit a button and just gonna go through a bunch of them.
He ain't even got my
Oh,
truck on
nine.
here today.
Well,
He's probably armor all in the tire.
Who is it? I didn't know they
Post
did
it
this.
on Facebook. I'll let you know too.
You know what? I said, you probably armor all in my tires for me. He said, where's your truck at? I said, he's probably on.
Hey TJ, that's that top light on my box. I want to have
Oh,
one.
that's gonna be nice.
If it ever come in.
Yeah.
Look at that.
What's it come with? Buy one, get one, is that what it is?
Yeah, well, you buy the 12-piece metric socket set, and you get the socket pegs, and then the ratchet with it. That's nice.
Mm-hmm. I was just thinking about those.
Yeah, that one is on.
Hey,
One
is it?
is green, this is red.
Is it like the white guy?
I didn't know they made a red.
Did I get the green one?
Let me go look. I think you just got the orange light. I didn't know they made a red and a blue. Blue free.
Like the little Baby J. Young collection. Little Baby J. Young collection. Because I owed you $20 difference. You had already
Nice.
I paid you $20, but I think you already credited it. You can check and make sure, but I think you did. But now, if you want to give me another $300-something credit, I'll take it.
Yeah, I ain't gonna turn it down, are you?
Yeah, pink. Well, I didn't know they made those in pink.
I ain't gonna turn it down. I'm just gonna turn around and spin it back with you.
Got two sensors on it, one with like an 8-foot wire so you can read temperature 2 different spots in the vehicle at the same time. I don't have to use the impact on it. My battery do.
You need to go get this in Milwaukee for you.
May have to.
pretty sharp, ain't it, Bill?
I was wondering what that deal was. Now we know.
Now you know. Ain't that nifty? How about that, Leo?
Pretty cool.
Hey, you got your green hat on. Alright.
Got the new impactor gloves made with the D30 foam inside. Got it on a few spots on your palm, right around here. All the places that you're gonna take the beating at when you're using your hammer, or using anything that you're gonna be, that you want the extra protection from. This just shows an example. D30 foam right here, regular foam right here. You can see the difference in the thickness on it. Got just regular marble, stainless steel. I'll drop it up. So about 6-7 inches from the regular foam. Pretty good bounce off of it. Now we're gonna do the same with the D30. About 6-7 inches off of it. Or we go a little higher just to.
That's pretty cool, line.
Yep. The
Be that
D30
much
takes
thicker.
it and absorbs the impact and spreads out through the whole glove. That just shows the difference of the kind of stuff that Snap-on's trying to come up with to make everybody's job a little bit easier.
That's pretty sharp right there. Drop them one more time. Wow, that's pretty cool. All right, guys, we're gonna wrap it up on here, and we'll show you what we got. What's leaving here today, Hamilton?
Another Matco box.
Ooh, another Matco box. Gone.
Y'all said that M word.
Gone.
I had to change the racing on the YouTube video now, saying garbage like that.
Well, Alan can put a scratch on it.
All right, guys, as you've seen, somebody got a brand new box. So to check out that box, you need to go to TJ at H&H Country, because he got a beautiful box. Hamilton's racking up the toolbox sales here at our shop, luckily for him. Anyway, let me show you what all we got. I got a new Snap-on 3/8 drive torque wrench. That part number is T.
No. I'm gonna show you what about. I know more about this stuff than you do anyway.
What?
Here's
Now,
the-
wait. Who bought it?
You bought it.
It ain't long.
No, it's not
It's
long.
not long, okay.
Yeah, this one ain't. Some of the other stuff was, but this one. Here's the grain torque wrench, 3/8 drive. One he wanted. Took a little while to get it. Grain tools matter, so they been behind a little bit. The number on this is TQFR100CG. G stands for green, just like on all the rest of them do. This is one of the tools
You
that
gotta
have
go
to do.
through it, man. You gotta tell what it goes from and to. That's
Foot
important.
pounds. Yeah, you got
Gotta
know
know.
that. Like I said, it is a 3/8. It's not gonna go up to 250 or 300 like some of our half inches does. It starts at 20. We'll go up to 100 foot pounds. We do have a diagram on here where it converts it over to the Newton meters. That's on the torque wrench. We put that on a lot of them. Easy to see. That way you know. Inch pounds is divided by 12. Bam, you got your inch pounds. We also got a few other things right here that Clay likes to have or was wanting. One is another battery. Mighty convenient when you ain't got to swap one battery between two tools. Just have another battery right there. Easy to go. We also got a pair of Nifx pliers. The number on these is KNX8701130. Some very nice pliers, made in Germany. I love these pliers. I got some myself. I ain't got a bad thing to say about these. Clay also got a banner here today.
Yeah, this thing's awesome. It's gonna go up on the wall. What you been mud riding on that thing?
I ran it over. Side by side.
Y'all tell me this ain't gonna look good up on the wall.
Y'all gonna freak out if it says Matco.
Oh,
We'll burn that son of a
it
gun.
better not say Matco. Look how big and pretty that is, guys. That is awesome.
Where you gonna put that up here?
Put it up there at the very
at the
top.
top?
Yep. We can fold it up either one.
Yeah. And also got an orange bag right here just to put some of those tools in. Nice and convenient. Got some little D180 all-purpose cleaner. Degreaser. This is just something I carry on my truck. Some franchises may have it, most of them don't. Like going back to the bag, it's mighty convenient when you just throw some tools in the bag, head out to the truck, they'll take care of whatever you gotta do outside or home or whatever you need to do.
Well, guys, how awesome is that Hamilton stuck around and finished up the Snap on Friday with us. If you guys like Hamilton, be sure to leave your comments below because we know he's probably the best Snap-on dealer in the United States. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. As always, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe down here below, and we'll catch you guys next time. Y'all have a
See y'all
great
later.
one.